If you're seeing the PowerPoint error that says the font cannot be saved, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the quickest ways to fix it step by step. This usually happens when PowerPoint is trying to embed a font that isn't supported, restricted, or simply not compatible with the file. The good news is that you can usually solve it in just a few minutes without losing your presentation. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, let's start with the fastest fix, turning off font embedding. Open Microsoft PowerPoint and go to the File menu, then click Options. In the PowerPoint Options window, choose Save from the left-hand menu. Now look for the setting that says Embed Fonts in the file. If that box is checked, uncheck it. This stops PowerPoint from trying to package the font inside the presentation, which is often the exact reason the error appears. Once you've turned it off, click OK and then save your file again. In many cases, that alone will remove the error immediately. Now, if the problem is still there, the next thing to do is replace the font that is causing the issue. Some fonts cannot be embedded because of licensing restrictions or because PowerPoint doesn't support them properly. To fix that, go to the Home tab, then look for Replace. Click the drop-down and choose Replace Fonts. A small window will appear showing the fonts used in your presentation. Find the font that is causing the error and select it. Then replace it with a common, safe font like Arial or Calibri. These fonts are widely supported and usually save without any issues. After selecting the replacement font, click Replace. PowerPoint will update the presentation, and this often solves the save problem right away. If you still get the same error, there's one more reliable fix you should try: saving the presentation as a brand new file. Sometimes the current file gets a little corrupted or holds on to old formatting data that causes saving problems. To do this, click File and then Save As. Choose a location like Desktop or Documents so it's easy to find. Give the file a new name instead of overwriting the old one. Then click Save. This creates a fresh copy of the presentation and can clear out hidden file issues that may be triggering the font error. If needed, you can combine all three methods for the best results. First, turn off font embedding. Second, replace the problematic font. Third, save the file as a new copy. That combination fixes the majority of PowerPoint font save errors and helps you get back to work fast. Before you go, if this tutorial saved you time, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the content and lets you see more quick fixes just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.